The videos by Mr. Kabanga from the Congo. All right, what are we doing right now? We'll be working on composition of transformation. Sounds so fancy. Composition of transformation. That only means we're just going to do two or more transformation at the same time. Look at number one. Number one, it looks like they want me to do what? Reflection. Okay, I'm going to reflect the figure over the y-axis. Oh, they put a comma to tell you, guess what? You're going to do another one. What's the next one? The next one, it is translation. Going 5 units to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Not sure why I'm singing, but let's go back and do this thing. So reflection. So when you're reflecting over the, let's write the rule. When you're reflecting over the y equals x, your rule is as follow. You can look at your notes. Your note will tell you to switch the letters. Done deal, right? So let's do this thing. So I'm gonna need this. You go away. All right, let's do this. B is located at, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, -2, -5, -2. That'll be B. A is located at -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, -4. Where is D located at? D is located at -2, -1, -2, -1. All right. C is located at -4, -1. All right, good. All right, so if I'm going to reflect this, let me get a different color here. There you go. If I'm going to reflect this over y equals x, I need to switch them. So my new point would be, I'm going to give it 1b prime first. 1 prime. Just flip them. Boom. Boom. That's it. If, just switch them. All right. What about C? C prime. Just switch it. -1, -4. All right, next one. D prime. I'm so not doing this in order alphabetically. For some reason, I have no idea. Switch. -1, -2. Next, A. Switch. -4, -4. All right, let's graph these. So -2, -5, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, boom. That is your B. What does that be? B prime. Switch to the next one. -1, -4. Boom. What would that be? That will be C prime. Boom. Next. -1, -2. Boom. What would that be? That will be D prime. Check. A prime. -4. Boom. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then -4. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. That will be A prime. All right. Boom, 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 boom. First picture done. Reflection. Check. Now let's do the next thing we're going to do here. What color should I use? How about green? Okay. Green for translation. So here's this blue picture. I'm going to move it to 5 units to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. So take D 5 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Watch this. D double prime. Boom, boom. Double prime to show that this is the second picture. You with me? The second image. All right, let's move C to the right. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. C prime, double prime. Next, B. B to the right. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. 1, 2. What did I do wrong? Let's check C for a sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Did I move D correctly as well? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay. I see my mistake. Let's fix it, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you need to calm down, Mr. Kabongo. Too much energy doing this. So let's go with C. C needs to move 5 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. C double prime. Check. B prime 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. B double prime. A, move it 5 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. That is a double prime. And then connect your picture. Boom. 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 Just like that. We are done with number 1. Moving on to number 2. Number 2, we're doing translation using the rule because it's x minus. X minus means to the left 2, Y means up 1. And then we're going to reflect. This time is reflecting over Y equals 1. We haven't done anything like that yet, but I'll tell you what, you got this. All right, first, let's just move this picture left 2, up 1. All right, A, left 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. Boom, A prime. All right, B, left 2, 1, 2, up 1. Boom, B prime. C, left 2, 1, 2, up 1. Boom, C prime. All right, now you connected it. Biddy, 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 boom, biddy, 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 boom, biddy, 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 boom. All right, so we're reflecting over a number. Because I taught you how to reflect over X, because that would have been just this, right? I've taught you how to reflect over negative X. That would be, what was it? I believe it was just a negative somewhere. I don't remember. I don't know if they're both negative. I don't recall, so I'm just going to delete that because I can't think right now. But if you're going to do over, we're going to reflect it over across from Y equals 1. So you need to draw a line for 1. 1 on the Y is that. That's 1 right there. So you draw a line on that. Okay, the Y line. So you draw that 1. So we just need to flip this picture over that blue line that I drew right here. So the first question is, how far? So this one here, I don't even need to use any rule. Just flip it over that line. So A is far 1, 2, 3. It's 3 units away from the blue line. So you go 1, 2, 3. You put your A, but we're going to call it double prime. Boom, boom. All right. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. B double prime. Boom, boom. C is 1, 2. Then you go 1, 2. Boom. C double prime. And that's it. Connected. We're done. All right.